Alright, I'm excited to show you the main beauty exercise, which I call throughout the course frame exercise. The reason why it's so called because it really resembles a frame, and it's very important to start any massage that you're going to perform on your face with this very simple exercise. Also, I do suggest you do this right, when you're just waking up, even if you're not going to have any massage done. So, the way we're going to begin. We shall need to make the frame. So we raise our hands and do this thing. We don't need this to be too tight. We do not squeeze our ears, just loosely like this. Make sure you sit straight. And we need to perform now this thing. We need simultaneously raise our shoulders up, and we need to put the chin down, all the way down, and sort of press it towards your collarbone. Similar, like imagine that you're holding something in between your chin and the collarbone. You might feel that your face becomes red like mine right now. That's actually perfect. That's exactly what we're trying to achieve here. So we raise our hands like this, and now we lift them up, and at the same time we look down. We like sort of jam or clench our chin. So, and when you just really push down, hold 30 seconds. It's very important to breathe. You will feel the stretch right here, and you see my face is already red. So you see when I'm clenching towards the collarbone, it even looks like that. So I'm just really pushing down. It might feel a little challenging to do the whole 30 seconds. Do try though, but you could definitely start with shorter amount of time. If you feel some discomfort in your neck, obviously, like decrease the stretch. Try to take it easier and take it slowly. So once we did that, so we release it after 30 seconds. What is very important to do is to stretch everything that's just been jammed. So we take our hands and in the opposite directions, maybe 5 times each side, we stretch it like that. Very good. And here. So you see what I'm doing? I'm holding here, I'm stretching in the opposite direction like this. It feels very good. You could also massage your neck a little bit. It's never really a bad idea to do that. And it's very important right now to drain the fluids. That's actually why we begin the massage with it, and it's actually why it's the main morning beauty exercise. We have a lot of lymph nodes here, see, in this area. And we need to apply some pressure. Not too much pressure, just a little bit. So we inhale, exhale, and apply pressure. I will show you like this. You see? This is where the lymph nodes are. So I'm going to apply pressure just with my fingers like that. Just like that. And now, to drain everything, we shall need to massage our neck like this, but moving in the downwards direction like that. Moving downwards like this. You could also do about 5 or maybe 10 times. Also, you can massage the back of your neck. It feels very good, like this. So let's say you do about 10 swipes. So do not forget that you try to work at your own pace, in this case, and this is really the best exercise. I would recommend you to never skip this one. So the frame exercise, now you know it, and now you definitely have everything you need for that perfect lymph drainage massage.